ICV stands for Independent Custody Visitor.
Volunteers who are completely independent of the police.
We visit custody suite
Unannounced.
to check that detainees in those custody suites are being treated correctly.
It doesn't normally take very long.
It takes under an hour.
Up to an hour, 2 hours absolute maximum.
Takes about half an hour.
Sometimes it takes only 10 minutes.
I didn't find it scary to begin with.
No, it's not scary.
Not scary, not at all.
Not at all.
We always go in pairs, always in pairs.
There's always someone else to back you up.
No, because I can go out of the custody suite whenever I want to.
You soon get used to it.
It varies between availability of ICVs.
Once every week or every 2 weeks.
At least once a week.
At the moment it's about once a week because we're a bit short in number.
Every other week.
I've seen me every week, but it can be once every 3 weeks.
It's important to me that people's dignity are ensured and people in custody have a right to dignity.
Give something back to the community.
I actually thought I'd like to know more about this.
Having an impact on law and order in a small way.
To make sure detainees who are often in quite a state know that they're being cared for.
You get a tremendous sense of achievement after every visit.